Okay, I get it. You want to be the very best. I want to be the very best. But how can we do that when we're constantly having our attention, creativity, and memory, cognitive thinking, abilities, critical thinking, having it all pulled here and there? Should we be marketing? Should we go ahead and start building up a following so that we can get a traditional publishing deal, or already have a following so that when our book is finished, we'll be able to put it out into the world to an audience that is ready and expecting it? All these things are constantly on the minds of artists, authors in particular, and just creatives in general. We're always thinking about all of the things that are simply just distractions from the actual thing that we are creating. Now, some people have a great mind for business, and some people have an even better mind for creativity, artistic expression. But I think we can all agree that we need a little less distraction. So, I would like to have you join me in the next 3 days, starting November 1st, in November. It is a writing challenge that I have created where we write every day for the month of November longhand. That means with a pencil, with a composition book, and with some prompts, which you can find on my Substack linked below. Or you can write a novelette, novella, if you want to, in 30 days. Also in that Substack on how to break that down and prepare for it. Because writing longhand is freeing. It is easier to be in the moment. When you're on your computer, if you're like me, a thought pops into your head and you're like, hey, let me go to Amazon and look up this thing that I'm not going to buy, but I'm wondering how much it would cost if I wanted to buy it, if I could buy it. Just so I have this knowledge, even though I'm right in the middle of a really great part that I'm actually interested in writing, but I got this thought and I gotta do this thing. Or you're right in the middle of it and somebody sends you a message. You get an email, another notification for this app or that app or whatever it is. Distraction, distraction, distraction. Now, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you know, I think there's a proper place for everything. Everything has a place to be. Not, okay? And what I mean is like a proper way of using it. A way that doesn't run your life. You run it. Do you get the vibe I'm trying to lay down when it comes to order, where things have a place to be? Get it? Great. I knew we were on the same page. You and me, we got this. And so what we're going to do is you're going to subscribe to my Substack so that you can read the short stories that I'm going to put out every day of November. I am really challenging myself in this next month. So if you've recently subscribed, please buckle in for a brief bit of difference in content. If you came because of the problem with marketing your book on TikTok, I like talking about that stuff. Commentary is great. I've got ideas. However, I've said it once and I'll say it again. I am a mom of 3 and I homeschool. So I don't have infinite time. Okay? I can do so much. I'm about to finish. I will have it finished before November. This is my current first draft of the first book in my Lilith Letters trilogy. Okay? I started rewriting it longhand, and First draft will be done like tomorrow, Thursday, in a couple days. Okay, that's a thing that's happening. But I want to take a break from writing this to when I come back for the editing process. Second draft, it's fresh. I'm coming back to it. Anyways, so content switch a little bit here, where I'm really challenging myself in November to not only write a short story every day, which will just replace the time that I write on my novel. So that, not much of a challenge, and to figure it out. What I am challenging myself with is then typing it up and putting it on my Substack for you to read, because you're going to be subscribed. It's a free Substack, okay? You're going to enjoy it. It's called My Morning Pages. You can also check out my other 2 Substacks, The Holy Moments in Cinema, which is inspired by my master's capstone of the divine dialogue, God talking to us through film, cinema specifically, but any sort of artistic thing, God talks to us a lot. We just don't have the ears to hear it. Anyways, it's more of a philosophical take, because I talk about Andre Bazin and Martin Buber. If you don't have any idea who those 2 men are, don't worry, you're not alone. I think I might be one of the only people who know about both of them. Both, okay? Anyways, my third Substack was inspired by the original version of the Lilith letters, and I still love it a lot, talking about spiritual warfare in modern womanhood. There's some, what do you call them? Podcasts of the original version of Lilith letters. Not the best, okay? It is what it is. And then some writings where you can read the first drafts. First drafts. And there's more for that coming up. But anyways, I'm writing. You're gonna write. I'm gonna upload a Substack, which I really do hope that you subscribe to, because that's where you'll be able to read my short story for the month of November. And then on top of that, because I don't know, I just have to do the things, all of the things, even though I'm a second stage manager for a local play. Now I am going to be making a daily vlog during November, where I'm just gonna make a daily vlog every day in November for November. I don't know why I could never say that right the first time. Anyways, to upload here. So that's the content change. It took me a while to get there, to really get there. I'm sorry about that. It is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. That second wind has hit. I'm about to have to go to rehearsal. So I probably, you know what? I don't think I'm going to edit this. This is just raw, live, real. This is me, baby. I'm so sorry. I've been realizing that because I'm very in life stoic, very that it gives off the aura that I'm too cool. I swear I'm not. I know I'm not. I'm not. Okay. I promise. I mean, you've seen like 8 minutes of it. I'm weird. If I had the time, I'd insert that little clip of Cole from Jughead, He's like, I'm weird. I'm a weirdo. I don't fit in. Yeah, me too. Me too, man. Anyways, this is me asking if you'll join me in 3 days to write every day for the month of November, because it is National Novel Writing Month. And that one contest with kind of a really silly name is NaNoMore. So we need to have a challenge. We're at the end of the year. Come on. Get your creativity back. Get your enjoyment of the craft back. Have something fun to do. Something low stakes. Okay? You don't have to put a video up every day. You don't have to add it to a Substack and post it every day. But just writing by hand can be the challenge for you. Because you do have to build up a stamina and endurance and get your brain back to being focused on something for longer than 2 seconds. It is a challenge. It is a challenge. But it'll be fun, it'll be rewarding. There will be a sense of accomplishment. And hopefully, my hope is it'll help you in your writing routine, that you'll be committed to it every day, that you'll see a little bit does go a long way. A little bit. And then before you know it, you got a whole composition book filled up of stories. Things that you can expand upon, things that you can enjoy years later, things that you can be like, yeah, I wrote that whole thing by hand. I'm telling you, because so much of our lives are dictated by technology, we are forever seeking things that go back to the old times, archaic times, antiquity, if you will. Because they don't really even teach handwriting in school now. Most of it's on the computer. That's crazy. That's why I homeschool. That's part of it. Oh my god. Anyways, that's a whole different video. Anyways, oh, this is Bookish Dialogues. I'm Tabatha. On this channel, we talk about things. Storytelling, books, creativity, other things, culture, through the life of faith, creativity, and a life with Christ. Okay. Yeah. We just look at the world a different way. It's not all black and white. It's not all black and white. Okay. That's what we do over here, and we talk about things and we challenge ourselves because we can. Anyways, that's kind of all I have. I could talk about nothing for a really long time. I won't do that because retention rate and all that stuff means something. Anyways, thanks for coming to my TED Talk. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you will be joining me. If you will, comment below, because I really want to see other people enjoy the act of writing by hand. I do. And I want to create a writing community, a storytelling community here online that I can help encourage, but can also help encourage me. Okay? That's what I would love to have. So, please subscribe, comment if you're going to join. Follow me on Substack so that you can keep, see the prompts that are there for you to use in your writing. And yeah, we'll read again soon. Bye.